Hello everyone, let's know about colors. Red color, orange color, black color, yellow color, green color, blue color and brown color. A for apple. B for book. C for cup. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for ship. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for water. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19, number 20. Let's color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 9 1 0 10 1 1 11 1 2 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19 2 0 20